Welcome everyone, and this is Mugu. Today I'm showing you 15 terminal commands on your Mac. Let's superpower your Mac. Number 1, make your Mac talk.
Hello YouTube.
So that's a good start. You just type say, open quote, your text, close quote.
Your text.
And it says your text.
Let's show you those other 14 commands.
Let's go. How to show hidden files. Did you know your Mac had hidden files? Here's how you can access them. Just type default, right, com.apple.finder, apple show all file, true, kill all finder. So you see here, hidden files. And if you don't want that anymore, you just do the same thing, but instead of true, you say false, and that will make them disappear. The simpler way of doing that is just pressing shift, command, and dot. It's faster that way, but you know both ways now. Check your internet connection instantly without any software or a browser, directly in your terminal. Just type network quality, and you instantly get how fast your internet is. At the end, you also get a summary. So let's say an app froze. How to close it instantly? We just type kill all terminal, and it's gone. Number 5, how to make a hidden folder. Let's go to desktop, so cd desktop. Here you gotta type mkdir dot hidden folder. So why don't you see anything? Because it's hidden. And if we combine this situation with command number 2, true, and here's the hidden folder. And if you put false, it disappears. Lock your Mac instantly. PM set, display, sleep now. And it goes to sleep. Turn on. Turn on. Okay. Number 7. Find a file instantly without searching for it. Let's go with this 3D model of a swing I did. It's for a YouTube video. You can watch that video soon. I'm building that in my garden, so make sure you subscribe for that. So let's copy the name. Just type mdfind and the file name. And it found it in users mugu downloads Pinterest swing.usds. So it found it really fast. Schedule your Mac to shut down. You want to go somewhere and you don't want to leave your Mac turned on until you come back. So you can schedule a shutdown. You just type sudo shutdown -h plus 60. You just type in your password, and it says system is going down at 22:18, exactly in 60 minutes. And if you want to cancel it, you just press Ctrl C and the shutdown is cancelled. See every app that's running in the background. Just type top. So this is basically Windows's task manager, and also the percentage of the CPU. It takes 18% for the screen recording. That's a lot. And again, how do you close it? So it's Control C, and that cancels everything. How to check? Look at the script. How to check your battery cycle count. Just type system profiler SP power data type, this straight line, I don't know how it's called, grep cycle count, and that does nothing. Oh, like this. That was the problem. How to prevent your Mac from falling asleep? Caffeine. You give it caffeine. So you just type caffeinate -D. And that will make sure your Mac doesn't fall asleep. But I don't know about you. So again, to cancel it, what do? Control C. Generate an ultra safe password instantly. So type open SSL rand minus base 6432. And that's your ultra safe, never gonna remember it password. How to create a text file. Touch text.txt. That generates a text file. You can see it here. 14. List every installed app you have. So ls applications. And that lists every app you have installed. How to instantly restart Finder. So let's open a Finder window here. Just test it out, and you just type kill all Finder. And it restarts the Finder for you. So I really hope you liked the video. Make sure you hit the like button if you want a part 2, maybe. Or if you just have any questions, put it down in the comments, and make sure you subscribe to not miss out on anything. So see ya!